Do you have children in school, or will be starting soon? Have you asked yourself if public schools are really doing all they can to improve your child and educate him or her for the real world? Have you ever had days when your child comes home from public school feeling worn out, agitated, and frustrated? Here are some pros and cons of other schooling options available to you. Private schools. Yes, private schools are sought by the wealthiest and most privileged of society. Although some would likely debate the benefits of private schooling over public schooling, most parents probably have considered the option. Unfortunately, for most families, private schooling is simply not a reality. At a cost of hundreds to thousands of dollars a year or month, the ability to afford such education is beyond their means. Religious-affiliated schools are less expensive but still not an option for many families with of cost several thousands per year. Homeschooling. Traditional homeschooling, where the parent is the supervisor of the child's work, is another option. With fantastic resources and helpful teachers to assist, it has been a form of education that can be the answer to parents who want the one-on-one education that public schools cannot provide. Homeschooling has been the basis of society for years, long before schools came about. However, in today's society it can be difficult for parents to maintain the supervision of assignments that is needed for homeschooling. This may become even more of an issue as a child gets into the higher grades and parents are unfamiliar with the curriculum or are working and do not have as much time to assist them. Internet homeschooling. A new addition to education, the Internet is now providing the ability for parents to give their child an enhanced curriculum, control over education, and online support. This will all cost much less than private school. There are free and paid options for online homeschooling. Do research to find the best one for you and your child. Older children can benefit from online teachers who are able to supervise the work, a huge benefit for working or single parents. Many accredited internet schools offer similar courses to those available in private schools. Perhaps this is the answer you've been looking for. Get help planning your education into the mix with free resources. Head to your local educational center or public libraries for help. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.